What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So today's video I will show you how you can add a new ad account payment method inside your business manager. So first we'll go over how to add a payment method to your business manager, and then how to add a payment method to a specific ad account, and lastly how to add a payment method on your personal ad account. So without further ado, let's jump to my business manager. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is to go to our business manager settings. To get there, simply go to business.facebook.com/settings, and then on the left side you want to go ahead and scroll till it says billing and payments, and let's go ahead and click on it. Alright, and now it opened us a window where it shows us the ad accounts that are inside this business manager. So to add or change the payment method, we'll have to click on payment methods, and then right here this is where you can go ahead and add a payment method specifically to this business manager. So let's click on add, then you simply select the country and currency you want to select, and then you put in the card information, and that's pretty much it. Now if you want to add a payment method to a specific ad account in this business manager, we'll go back to accounts, and then we'll simply click on one of the accounts that we want to add the payment method. So I'll click on the first one, and then we'll scroll down till it says add a payment method. So we'll go through the same process, and if we add the payment method over here, that means that this payment method will be only associated with this ad account and not the entire business manager. And lastly, how to add a payment method to your personal ad account. What you want to do is you want to go to your personal ads manager, simply Google ads manager on Facebook, and then you want to go ahead and select your personal ad account. Usually the name of the personal ad account will be your personal name, so it will be your first and last name. You can also go ahead and click over here and then just try to search for your personal ad account, and then what you want to do is on the left side over here you want to click on again billing and payments, and then it will take you to this page over here, and what you need to do is click on payment settings and then clicking on add payment method again, and this is how you add the payment method inside your personal ad account. So hopefully you took some value out of this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out some other videos right over here. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until the next one, peace.